Alright, so I walked across the street to Gerber Collision and Glass shop right up here, and I'm standing what I'm assuming is a sidewalk where hopefully nobody hassles me. And this car, this Mercedes, literally went through a brick wall. Look at this thing. And the reason why I know it went through a brick wall is because obviously the front windshield is all destroyed. There is a brick wall inside this car. That is awesome and not awesome at the same time. Look at the rim. The rim is totally destroyed. I mean, obviously the whole car is destroyed, but holy moly. All right, so now I am officially on their lot, and they're probably going to come out, and they're probably going to ask me, what am I filming, or what am I doing? And holy crap, there's a brick wall in the sunroof too, or what used to be a sunroof at least. And oh shit, I didn't even see the back. Holy shit. AMG CLA45. Yeah. I don't think this is gonna buff out. Wow. Wow. Look at that. I think honestly finding this car, although as traumatic it is as it is, but this is the most excitement I had all day. And look, I think I'm gonna end filming and nobody came to harass me. They're probably way too busy making money because a lot of these cars are totally destroyed. I mean, I don't know why this car is here. I mean, obviously, okay, Gerber Collision and Glass. This car definitely needs some collision work and some glass. But I cannot imagine this is fixable. I mean, unless it's some sort of a parts car, which I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a body shop person. I don't know what could possibly be useful here. But okay, there's a piece right there. I don't know if it's from a different car or if it's from this Ford Focus, but I feel really bad if the person was in there at the time of a wall coming down. And how would you ever go through a wall like that? I have no idea. And here's a Chevy Blazer that's being eaten away by rust. It's rather unfortunate, but what I saw an interesting thing right here is this little sticker right there. Yeah, ooh, I didn't even see this side. Yeah, it's a little bit beat up. But these things are rare these days. Even with some rust on them, you know, not too bad. Here's another beauty. I don't know what happened to this Chevy Equinox. Got two flat tires, okay. Is this side totally destroyed? No. It's just got 4 flat tires. Okay. Alrighty. I was walking towards that Trailblazer thinking that it's a totally demolished car. No, that's just somebody else's car. And there's somebody in like next to it. So, all right, I'm surprised that this place has such a big lot. It's empty, but interesting to see. All right, well, I'm gonna keep walking, see what else I can find, keep myself busy for the next hopefully 2.5 hours.